Alright guys, let's see what we got here. We got a Dunham system of heating wrench here. Radiator trap cover removal wrench. D295. That's a cool one. We got a Baltimore Toolworks, I believe. Number 38, and this is a closet spud wrench for plumbing. Got an unmarked hubcap wrench here. WW Co. B39. I don't know. Looks like another hubcap wrench to me. Maybe it's some kind of valve wrench or something. I'm not really sure on that one. There's a lot of mystery wrenches in here. That's the ones I like, but I haven't been able to find too much information on these guys. Yeah, this is the KB1. Another one is like some kind of farm implement or hubcap wrench. I think this is maybe a steam engine wrench. It's or a steam valve wrench or something like that. I've seen others similar to this, and they were saying it was, yeah, a steam valve wrench. It's a big one right here. This is a heavy wrench, heavy duty. Very cool though. Let's see, we got this. It's an Airco torch, welding tank, or tank wrench, I guess it's called. See, I got another one similar to that. Here's a couple more tank wrenches. This one's an ox weld. This one's unmarked, I think. Well, it's got a number there. A1013. Reading that upside down. And got this, I'm gonna call it a buggy wrench or a farm implement wrench again. Looks like it worked on square nuts. Number, looks like 18. This is a, this was using for, is it? I wrote it down somewhere. Oh, a milk tank wrench. That's a Mamu there. Cherry-burrell Corp. Another tank wrench there. Got this one here. I was able to find out what this was for. It's a F-190, but I found that it's a wrench for a Tanowitz table saw motor. So if you're taking apart an old Tanowitz table saw and you need to take apart the motor, this is the wrench you would want to have. And the last one, USA and Canada, J.A. Sexauer Manufacturing Co. It's got the teeth here. You know, I think this is just like a plumbing tool of some sort, valve tool. Let me know, you guys, if you have any information on any of these tools. I'd appreciate it. And thanks for watching. Bye.